Hello friends, my name is Kinjal Bhavsar, lecturer in EC department from VPMB Polytechnic College. Subject name microcontroller, then unit name 8051 microcontroller, then topic is 8051 pin diagram. That means ki pin diagram of 8051 IC. These are the objective. Then this is a pin diagram of 8051 microcontroller. तो 8051 IC 40 पिन IC टोटल 40 पिन देन DIP स्ट्रक्चर DIP दैट मीन्स कि ड्यूअल इन पैकेज स्ट्रक्चर दैट मीन्स कि 20 पिन वन साइड 20 पिन एंड अदर साइड 20 पिन दैट देन in this pin diagram first it's 8051 microcontroller contain 4 port 0 port 1 port 2 port 3 that means ki total 32 pin is required for port. Okay, so in this first 1 to 8 number pin is used for port 1. Port pin number 1 to 8 port 1 that means ki port 1.0 P1.1 P1.2 1.3 1.4 1.5 1.6 and 1.7. Okay, then pin number 9 is used for reset. Then after that pin number 11 to 17 is used for port 3 and port 3 and another function. Okay, another function that means ki receive data, transmit data, etc. That means ki here say pin number 10 is used for P3.1 P3.0 P3.1 3.2 3.3 3.4 3.5 3.6 and 3.5 and second function as a controlling function RxD that means ki receive data, TXD that means transmit data, then 2 interrupt INT0 and INT1, then 2 timer timer 0 and timer 1, then write function and read function. Okay, this that means ki port 3 use as a simple input output plus these controlling pins. Then pin number 18 and 19 is used for crystal 1 and crystal 2 that means ki oscillator purpose. Then pin number 20 is used for ground. Then after that pin number 21 to 28 is used for port 2 plus higher order address bus. That means ki P 2.0 2.1 2.2 2.3 2.4 2.5 2.6 and 2.7 and it's combined with higher order address bus like A8 to A15. Then pin number 29 is used for PSE and that means ki program store enable. Then pin number 30 is used for ALE and program. ALE that means ki address latch enable. Then pin number 31 is used for EA that means ki external enable. Then after that pin number 32 to 39 is used for port 0 plus higher order lower order address bus and data bus, multiplex lower order address bus and data bus. That means 32 pin is used for P 0.7 0.6 0.5 0.4 0.3 0.2 0.1 then 0.0 and it's combined with multiplex address bus and data bus, lower order address bus and data bus. That means ki AD0 to AD7. Okay, then second diagram is descriptive about this diagram ki like pin number 1 to 8 is used for port 1. Then after that pin number 10 to 17 is used for port 3. Then pin number 21 to 28 is used for port 2. Okay, like that. And pin number 32 to 39 is used for port 0. Okay, this is the information about pin diagram. Then with a detail, in detail 40 pin DIP purpose, DIP that means ki dual in line package. And total of 32 pins are set aside for 4 port like P0, P1, P2 and P3. And where each port takes 8 pins. Then VCC is used for pin number 40 is provide the voltage source in plus 5 volt. Then pin number 20 is used for VSS. Then crystal 1 and crystal 2, this is the on-chip oscillator, but it's required external clock to run it. Then this clock is given to, external clock as a given to quad crystal oscillator, okay, and it's connected between crystal 1 and crystal 2 pin, that means ki pin number 19 and 80. Then quartz crystal is connected to crystal 1 and crystal 2. It's also need to capacitor, and one capacitor is connected with ground. Then RST pin, RST that means ki reset pin. Then this pin is pin number 9 pin. Then this is the active high pin, and normally it's connected with low. When external reset signal is asynchronized to internal clock, then at that time this pin is required high. Then applying to a high pulse to this pin, microcontroller will reset and terminate all activities. Then ALE and program pin. ALE that means ki address/enable. Then this is the output pin and it active low. When it's connecting to 8031 to external memory, port 0 provide both address and data. Then ALE pin is used to demultiplex the address bus and data bus. Then program pulse input. So program pulse input, this pin is used during EEPROM programming. EEPROM that means ki erasable programmable read-only memory programming. Then PSEN. PSEN that means ki program store enable. This is the output pin and it's a read stop to external program memory. And it connected to OE. OE that means ki output enable pins of ROM. When device is executing out of external program memory, PSEN activated twice is each machine cycle. And PSEN is not activated when the device is executing out of internal program memory. EA, otherwise VBB. So EA, full form of EA, enable address, is an input pin and must be connected to either VCC or ground. When using internal memory, this pin is connected to VCC, that means ki high logic. When CPU has to execute external memory, then this pin is connected to ground, that means ki low logic, and to enable use of external address. Then EEPROM programming device, this pin also receive the programming supply voltage VCC during EEPROM programming, erasable programmable read-only memory programming. Then this is the programming model of 8051 microcontroller. So first of all, in this programming model, normally internal memory of 8051 microcontroller is internal RAM is 128 byte and internal ROM is 4 kilobyte. That means ki here internal ROM space 00002 FF. That means ki 4 kilobyte of space is used for internal ROM. After that, internal RAM is 128 byte. Out of 128 byte, it's contain 4 register bank. See here, this is 4 register bank 0, register bank 1, 2 and 3. So starting from 00 to 1F, this memory is used for 4 register bank, and each register bank contain 8 register. That's why like 00 R0, 01 R1, 02 R2, 03 R3, like that. Then after 1F memory, that means ki 20 to 2F, this memory is used for bit addressable RAM. Okay, then this is used for bit addressable requirement. Then after that 30 to 3F, this 30 to 7F is used for general purpose RAM. That means ki general purpose store. Then after that 80 to F0, this location is used for SFR purpose. SFR that means ki special function register purpose. That means ki 80 address is used for port 0, 81 is used for stack pointer, 82 is used for DPL, that means ki data pointer low, 83 that means ki data pointer high, 87 PCON, 88 TCON, 89 T mode, 8A TL0, 8B TL1, 8C TH0, 8D TH1, okay, like that. This is the programming model of 8051 microcontroller, and this programming model is mostly used for the programming purpose. That means ki to store data, to access the data, otherwise any arithmetic and logical operation. The 8051 is a collection of 8-bit and 16-bit register, okay, and 8-bit memory location. These registers and memory location can be made to operate using software instruction. Then it also contains special purpose registers, and some registers are both byte and bit addressable, like this is 20 to 2F is bit addressable area, okay, and this 00 to 1F is byte accept, that means here we store the byte wise.